Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'll call this butterscotch vanilla cake. Why stick with a flavor when you can have other flavors in it? So please continue watching and I hope you enjoy it when you try it. For this moist and fluffy butterscotch vanilla cake, I'm going to use a mixture of margarine and vegetable oil, and then I've got the other ingredients: baking powder, salt, flour, eggs, milk, sugar. Please check the description box. As for the flavors, I'm going to show you three flavors now: the vanilla, the butterscotch, and I'm going to use the zest of half of a lemon and one other flavor which I'm going to use later on. So let's go make this cake. I sieve all the dry ingredients, the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. Sieve it and then mix it together. I've got the margarine here. I'm going to cream it. All this helps to give a very light cake. And then when it's well creamed, I'm going to add in the vegetable oil, mix everything together. This is properly combined. I use 1/4 cup of margarine to 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. In goes the sugar. Mix this properly. This is properly creamed. Next is the eggs. You can beat the eggs before you add. I'm going to whisk this in. Of course, you can use a mixer at this stage if you want to. Flavor time: butterscotch. Vanilla goes inside. Man, this was gonna be flavorful. Lemon zest. You could use a teaspoon or the zest from half a lemon like I did. For that extra flavor and preservation, I'm going to add some rum, 1 tablespoon, and then let me shake the whole bottle inside. If you don't have rum, you can use lemon juice. It's good for preservation as well. The look and the aroma is already appetizing. Whisking everything. This cake, you can ice it as well. It is fluffy and yet you could still ice it. Pour in all the milk at once. Pour in all the flour mixture. Gently fold it in, the flour, that is. I have preheated the oven and it has a high heat. When I put in the batter, I will reduce the heat. It's well combined and I'll be careful not to over mix it. I have greased the pan, dusting it right now, and I'm going to place it on an oven tray. I'm using a locally made baking pan and it tends to leak. Leveling it so that it bakes evenly or almost evenly before I put it in the oven at medium to low heat. Moist, fluffy butterscotch vanilla cake is done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.